Welcome to aminacademy.com. In Analytical Solid Geometry, let us discuss some solving problem regarding enveloping cylinder. Look at this example. Find the equation of the enveloping cylinder of the ellipsoid x square over a square plus y square over b square plus z square over c square equal to 1, whose axis is x equal to y equal to z, or whose generator are parallel to the line x equal to y equal to z. Here, equation of the ellipsoid is given and you have to find the enveloping cylinder for this ellipsoid. Then the axis, the generators are parallel to the line x equal to y equal to z. Now let us start the problem. Let P let the point P of alpha, beta, gamma be any point on the enveloping cylinder. Be any point on the enveloping cylinder. Now, then equation of the generator of the generator. That means through this point you have to find the equation of the generator, that is x minus alpha over L, y minus beta over M, z minus gamma over N. Let it be this R. Now here the generators are given parallel to x equal to y equal to z. Therefore here this further it is equal x over alpha by 1, y minus beta over 1, z minus gamma over 1. Since x equal to y equal to z is a generator line whose ratios are 1:1:1. Now, therefore any point on this generator is alpha plus r, beta plus r, gamma plus r, because each ratios are 1:1:1. Now this point lies on the ellipsoid given this, so we'll substitute that. Therefore x is alpha plus r whole square x square over a square plus beta plus r the whole square over b square plus gamma plus r over c square equal to 1. You are substituting this point to the ellipsoid, it becomes like. Now we are expanding and simplifying. We will get this manner: r squared 1 over a square plus 1 over b square plus 1 over c square. That means we are expanding. Suppose alpha plus r whole square is alpha squared to alpha r plus r squared. Like this expansion and simplifying, we get, take out r squared common, then here plus 2r alpha over a square plus beta over b square plus gamma over c square. This is r terms, and without r, that is constant term, is alpha squared by a square plus beta squared by b square plus gamma square over c square minus 1 equals 0. This is a quadratic equation, that is a quadratic cylinder. Since this generator through P of alpha, beta, gamma is a tangent to a given ellipsoid, here since this generator. Now here the locus of point P of alpha, beta, gamma are the required equation of the enveloping cylinder. Therefore, here the locus of P of alpha, beta, gamma or the required equation is the required equation of enveloping cylinder. That means we are substituting alpha, beta, gamma as x plus x comma y comma z. Then it becomes, the equation becomes x over a square plus y over b square y over b square and z over c square, that is whole square. That means we are substituting here. Now before that we have to find, that is here, before that we have to substitute, that is b square equal to 4ac, means discriminant of this equation is b square minus 4ac equals 0. That is two identical solutions. That is here we are using b square equal to 4ac. We are substituting b is here 2 into this, c is here and a is this, which gives 4 into alpha over a square plus beta over b square plus gamma over c square, the whole square, equal to 4. A is 1 over a square, yeah, a is here, this is here, a is 1 over a square, 1 over b square plus 1 over c square, and c term is alpha square over a square plus beta square over b square, gamma square over c square minus 1. So now find the locus. The locus, therefore the locus of P of alpha, beta, gamma or is the required equation. Is the required equation of the enveloping cylinder. Equation of enveloping cylinder. Equation of enveloping cylinder. Therefore we have enveloping cylinder. Then we substitute x, y, z is alpha, beta, gamma. Therefore our equation after simplification will get 4 cut both sides, then x over a square, y over b square, x over a square plus y over b square plus z over c square equal, that whole square equal, then 1 over a square plus 1 over b square plus 1 over c square. Here also x square by a square, y square by b square, and z square over c square minus 1. Here this is the equation of the enveloping cylinder, or further we'll simplify like x a minus 2, that is here, this go that side, go up, that is y b power minus 2 z c power minus 2 the square equals a power minus 2 here plus b power minus 2 c power minus 2 here x square a minus 2 y square b minus 2 and z square c minus 2 minus 1 is the equation of enveloping cylinder to the given conic pipe, that is given ellipsoid. So this is the equation we have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.